Gavanas oluongo romo juma manyien mar twak ewi landruok mar guonyo mar MPOX masani osedonjo counties ang'wen e pacho ka. Gavana ma Tharaka Nithi ma bende en jakom komiti mar thieth Mudhomi Njuki owacho ni kata obed ni kwan joma nigi tuoni pod ni piny, Gavanas nyaka ikre mar geng'o landruok mare. Nyaka sani ji ang'wen oseyangi ni kod guonyo mar MPOX e pacho ka.
Activate their emergency response centers and ensure that we have a reporting system where there should be a number that members of the public can call if they suspect such a case. We need to have an emergency isolation center in every county. We can have 1 or 2 hospitals that are prepared to handle the same. We need a budget either from the emergency kitty or from the public health to be set aside and be ready for utilization if required. Otherwise, we will not be able to contain this situation. But I also want to ask the members of the public not to panic, because 2 cases already that were identified as the first cases, the patients are already healed, they have recovered.